everybody! Today we have received another cool package from WowWee, and this is a big one. This is the Baby Shark Puppet Show kit, and Livy cannot wait to open this bad boy up. We're gonna peek inside and see all the cool things WowWee has sent us. Ready to check it out?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so here is our cool package all close up, and we're about to open it. All right, Livy, you wanna open it and see what's inside?
Yes.
Whoa! Oh man, we got the stage and it says Baby Shark. It says join us celebrating Baby Shark newness. Ooh, the newness. What do we have inside? Oh, we have, is that Papa Shark there? We got the puppet Papa Shark here. Let's see here. Oh, we have some cool toys here. These are for the bathtub, so we get to play with these in the bathtub. So these are some bath squirt toys. Gotta check those out. Oh, and we have the new Fingerling. Now this is Baby Shark. This is the Baby Shark Fingerling one with Kiss technology. Check that out. Get the Kiss technology going on. We have this little stopper here. Let's see. You want to press it? See what happens.
Shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
That's cool. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, you know they are always great for giving us a little bit of candy. This looks like a necklace that has a big old shark tooth at the end. And this necklace is candy. So it's a candy necklace with a shark tooth at the end. You get to wear it and you get to eat it. How cool is that?
How am I gonna eat it?
We're gonna find out. You can wear it and eat it.
I ate my bunny rabbit one last time.
Yeah, you did. All right, so we have all of this items in here to build our own puppet stage. And oh, look at that. We got some masks as well. Yeah, there's the mommy shark. Maybe I can wear that one. Let's see here. Do we have any more masks in here? Yeah. And there's a baby shark one. So you can wear the baby shark one. So we're going to set up our puppet show and show you how it looks. Okay, so we're back and we have everything unboxed and we have set up our stage over to the right. However, before we get started, let's show you some of the things that we got from WowWee. So our first one is the Baby Shark Fingerling. So you want to try it? Cut it on? Aw, it's Baby Shark. So as you can see, Baby Shark fin lights up. And he also has the Kiss technology. If you put your finger over his mouth, he closes his eyes and he gives you a nice kiss. Isn't that cool?
Especially a human.
Let's see if he makes some waves. Make a wave sound. He gets happy. Oh, so the faster you go, the faster you move, the faster the song. Let's see what happens when we go slower. That's cool. Let's see here. And so to pet him, if you go this way, let's see here what happens. He'd be asked if you go this way and if you go this way. And if you hold his forehead for at least 2 seconds, it gives you a surprise. He passes gas, gives you a little surprise there. You want to try it again? Mm-hmm. Let's listen. So let's see here. I think if he hangs upside down, he giggles. As you can see, his fin changes different colors when he lights up. Let's see. And he's a really talking dude. He likes to talk. So those are all the cool things that the Baby Shark Fingerling can do. Let's swim together. Okay. Sure. Oh, and there's the motion. There's the ocean sound. So now we also got 4 bathtub squirt bottles, little squirt toys here. And it's the whole family. So we got Mama Shark, got Daddy Shark, and there's Baby Shark, and we got a nice little cool orange fishy. Yep. So these are cool to play in the bathtub. But that's not all we got. So Livy is wearing her Baby Shark mask, and there is a Mommy Shark mask and a Daddy Shark mask. Perfect for our little puppet show, right?
Right.
Cool. So we have the Daddy Shark puppet. Now how this works is the faster he talks, the faster the song. The slower you make him talk, the slower the song. Let's speed it up. Let's speed it up. Oh, oh. You wanna try it? Get it, make his mouth go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's go hunt. Let's go hunt. Let's go hunt. And now for our very quick and very short puppet show.
Welcome to Livy's Baby Shark Puppet Show.
Let's go faster. Let's go faster. Let's go faster.
Bye, everybody. I hope you liked the show.
Hey, thanks for watching. Click on Livy to subscribe to our channel. Already subscribed? Click over here to see more of our videos.